Hello, kiddos. Let's learn about farm animals.
Cow. Cow.
Cows are large, domesticated mammals known for their gentle nature and iconic black and white or brown coats. They are commonly raised for their milk, which is used to produce dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. Cows are herbivores, feeding primarily on grass, hay, and grains.
Pig. Pig.
Pigs are intelligent, sociable mammals with stout bodies, short legs, and snouts. They are raised for their meat, known as pork, as well as for byproducts like lard and gelatin. Pigs are omnivores, feeding on a diet of grains, vegetables, and occasionally small animals.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chickens are domesticated birds raised for their meat and eggs. They have feathered bodies, beaks, and claws, with a variety of plumage colors and patterns. Chickens are omnivores, feeding on a diet of grains, seeds, insects, and vegetation.
Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep are woolly mammals with thick coats of fleece that can be shorn to produce wool. They are raised for their wool, meat, lamb and mutton, and milk. Sheep are herbivores, grazing on grass and other vegetation.
Horse. Horse.
Horses are large, strong mammals with 4 legs, hooves, and flowing manes and tails. They are often used for riding, racing, and work on farms. Horses are herbivores, feeding on grass, hay, and grains. They are known for their speed, agility, and intelligence, forming close bonds with their human caregivers.
Goat. Goat.
Goats are agile, sure-footed mammals with horns and beards. They are raised for their milk, meat, chiffon, and fiber, cashmere and mohair. Goats are browsers, preferring to eat leaves, twigs, and shrubs rather than grass. They are known for their curious and playful nature, often climbing and exploring their surroundings.
Duck. Duck.
Ducks are waterfowl with webbed feet, waterproof feathers, and distinctive quacking calls. They are raised for their eggs, meat, duck, and down feathers. Ducks are omnivores, feeding on a diet of insects, plants, and small fish. They are excellent swimmers, using their webbed feet to paddle through water and dive for food.
Donkey. Donkey.
Donkeys are sturdy, domesticated mammals with long ears and a braying call. They are often used as working animals for carrying loads and pulling carts. Donkeys are herbivores, feeding on grass, hay, and grains. They are known for their strong sense of loyalty and intelligence, forming close bonds with their human handlers.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbits are small mammals with long ears, fluffy tails, and strong hind legs. They are raised for their meat, rabbit, fur, and sometimes as pets. Rabbits are herbivores, feeding on a diet of grass, hay, vegetables, and herbs.
Goose. Goose.
Geese are waterfowl with long necks, webbed feet, and honking calls. They are raised for their eggs, meat, goose, feathers, and sometimes as guard animals. Geese are herbivores, feeding on grass, grains, and aquatic plants.